So dear students, in this video lecture, we will solve the questions related to eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Very important questions. काफ़ी यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा गया है. Find the eigenvalues and the corresponding eigenvectors of the matrix 1 1 3 1 5 1 and 3 1 1. क्लियर? इससे पहले वाले वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने आइगन वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट किया था. तो आइगन वेक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए पहले हमें आइगन वैल्यूज निकालना ही होता है. ओके, so let's see the solution. Let the given matrix A equals to 1 1 3 1 5 1 and 3 1 1. Clear? Now we have to make A minus lambda into I. So A minus lambda into I equals to 1 1 3 1 5 1 3 1 1 minus lambda into 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is the value of A minus lambda into I. So when you will multiply the given identity matrix with lambda, then it becomes lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 and 0 0 lambda. So it becomes A minus lambda into I equals to 1 1 3 1 5 1 3 1 1 minus lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 and 0 0 lambda. So this becomes, when you will subtract these two matrix, then it becomes 1 minus lambda and this is 1 3 1 5 minus lambda 1 and 3 1 and it is 1 minus lambda. Now the determinant of this one, that is determinant of A minus lambda into I equals to 0. This is known as characteristic equation. So determinant of this one, that is 1 minus lambda 1 3 1 5 minus lambda 1 3 1 and it is 1 minus lambda equals to 0. Now we have to find the determinant of this matrix. So it becomes 1 minus lambda 5 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. Next one, negative sign, minus 1, then 1 into 1 minus lambda, that is 1 minus lambda, minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. Next one, plus 3 into 1 into 1 1 minus 3 into 5 minus lambda, 3 into 5 minus lambda. So this is equals to 0. Now we have to solve this equation and find the value of lambda. So it becomes so this equation becomes 1 minus lambda into 5 into 1, that is 5 minus 5 lambda minus lambda and this is plus lambda square minus 1 and this is minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 minus lambda and plus 3 1 minus 15 plus 3 lambda 1 minus 15 plus 3 lambda equals to 0. So 1 minus lambda, this is lambda square minus 5 lambda minus lambda, that is minus 6 lambda plus 5 minus 4, that is plus 4, minus minus plus 2 plus lambda plus 3, this is 3 lambda, 1 minus 15, that is minus 14 equals to 0, which becomes, after multiplying 1 into lambda square, that is lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 4 minus lambda cube plus 6 lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 2 plus lambda plus 9 lambda minus 42 equals to 0. Now we have to simplify this equation and we will find the roots of this equation. Now minus lambda cube plus lambda square plus 6 lambda square, that is it becomes 7 lambda square minus 6 lambda and minus 4 lambda, that is minus 10 lambda, and lambda plus 9 lambda, that is plus 10 lambda. Constant terms plus 4 plus 2 6 minus 42 that is minus 36 equals to 0. Minus 10 lambda plus 10 lambda cancel, so it becomes minus lambda cube plus 7 lambda square minus 36 equals to 0. Taking minus common, then it becomes lambda cube minus 7 lambda square plus 36 equals to 0, that is lambda cube minus 7 lambda square plus 36 equals to 0. Now we have to find the roots of this equation. क्यूबिक इक्वेशन है, रूट्स निकालने के लिए कुछ हम ट्रायल मेथड लगाते हैं. If you will put lambda equals to 1, when you will put lambda equals to 1, then you will get 1. This is 1 minus 7 plus 36. Lambda equals to 1, it means ये satisfy नहीं कर रहा है. minus 1 put करोगे, then it is minus 1 minus 7 plus 36. Also not satisfied, lambda equals to minus 1. Putting lambda equals to 2, then it becomes 2 to the 4 to the 8, that is 8 minus 28 plus 36. Again it is not equals to 0. When you will put lambda equals to minus 2, then it becomes minus 8 and this is minus 2 to the 4, 7 to 28 minus 28 plus 36, that is this is minus 36 plus 36 means 0. It means lambda equals to minus 2 satisfy this equation. It means lambda equals to minus 2 is one of its roots. इसका क्या होगा, एक रूट हो जाएगा lambda equals to minus 2. Clear? So lambda equals to minus 2 is one of the roots of this equation, that is characteristic equation lambda cube minus 7 lambda square plus 36 equals to 0. Clear? एक रूट इसका क्या है, lambda equals to minus 2. So now we have to find the other roots. It means lambda plus 2 equals to 0 is one of its factor. क्या होगा, lambda plus 2 equals to 0 is one of its factors. It means now divide the given equation, that is lambda cube minus 7 lambda square plus 36 को डिवाइड कीजिए lambda plus 2 से. Now this is lambda square, so it becomes lambda cube plus 2 lambda square minus it becomes minus 9 lambda square plus 36. Now by minus 9 lambda, then it becomes minus 9 lambda square and minus 18 lambda. This is plus plus, so 18 lambda minus 36. Next time by plus 18, then it becomes 18 lambda plus 18 lambda, this is plus sign because here is plus. So 18 lambda plus 36, sign change karo, minus, that is 0. It means lambda square minus 9 lambda plus 18 को हम solve कर ले, यहाँ से lambda की value find out करें. Now try to solve this equation. Now we have to solve lambda square minus 9 lambda plus 18 equals to 0. That is lambda square minus 6 3 is 18, that is minus 6 lambda minus 3 lambda plus 18 equals to 0. So taking lambda common, that is lambda minus 6, minus 3 common, then it is lambda minus 6. So it becomes lambda minus 6, lambda minus 3 equals to 0. That is lambda minus 6 equals to 0, so lambda equals to 6 and lambda minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore lambda equals to 3. So the value of lambda is minus 2, 3 and 6. Clear? So the values of lambda is minus 2, 3 and 6. Note down. Lambda equals to minus 2, 3 and 6. It means eigenvalues, that is eigenvalues will be minus 2, 3 and 6. Now we have to find the eigenvector corresponding to these eigenvalues. Okay, अब हम lambda equals to minus 2 के corresponding eigenvectors find out करेंगे, 3 के corresponding और 6 के corresponding. Okay, let's see. Now corresponding to lambda equals to minus 2, a minus lambda into I, a minus lambda into I, that is 1 minus lambda, 1 3 1, 5 minus lambda 1, this is 3 1 and 1 minus lambda. Corresponding to this value we have to solve. Means when you will put lambda equals to minus 2, then this equation becomes 1 minus and this is minus 2, 1 and 3, this is 1, 5 minus 2, 1 and this is 3, 1 and 1 minus of minus 2. Clear? So it becomes 1 minus minus plus, this is 3 1 3 and this is 1, 5 minus minus plus 2, that is 1 7 1 and 3 1, this is 1 minus minus plus 2 3. Now we have to solve this matrix and find the value of x1 x2 x3. Then we have to reduce this value with the help of elementary transformation. Elementary transformation से हम इस मैट्रिक्स को सॉल्व कर लेंगे so that x1 x2 x3 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना इजी हो जाएगा. ओके, सो अप्लाई एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. Here R1 interchange by R2, then it becomes 1 7 1 3 1 3 and again this is 3 1 3. Apply R3 goes to R3 minus R2, then it becomes 1 7 1 3 1 3 and this is 0 0 0. Again R2 goes to R2 minus 3R1. R2 goes to R2 goes to R2 minus 3R1. Then it becomes 171. 3 minus 3 times 0. 1 minus 3 times, that is 1 minus 21. So this is minus 20, and this is 3 minus 3 times, that is 0, and it becomes 0, 0, 0. Now when you will solve this equation, that is put here x1, x2 and x3 equals to 0, 0, 0, then it becomes, from second equation, that is 0 into x1 minus 20 into x2 plus 0 into x3 equals to 0. So this will give you minus 20 x2 equals to 0. That is x2 equals to 0. One value is 0. Now solving from first equation. Then we have 1 into x1 plus 7 into x2 plus 1 into x3 equals to 0. Here x2 equals to 0, so we have x1 plus x3 equals to 0. This implies x1 equals to minus x3. It can also be written as x1 upon minus 1 equals to x3 upon 1. लिख सकते हैं सर. And x2 equals to 0 means here it can be written as x2 upon 0. That is x1 upon minus 1 equals to x2 upon 0 equals to x3 upon 1. So corresponding to this one, the value of x1, x2, x3 is minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 1 means corresponding to lambda equals to minus 2, we are having the eigenvector, that is minus 1, 0 and 1. Minus 1, 0 and 1. Now we have to solve corresponding to lambda equals to 3. That is corresponding to the eigenvector value minus 2, eigenvector is minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. एक तो आंसर हमारा ये हो गया, दिस इज minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. Second one, now we have to solve corresponding to lambda equals to 3, same as it is. Corresponding to, now for lambda equals to 3, we have a minus lambda into I, that is 1 minus lambda 1, and this is 3, 1, 5 minus lambda 1, 3, 1, and this is 1 minus lambda. It becomes 1 minus 3, 1 and 3, 1, 5 minus 3, 1, this is 3, 1 and 1 minus 3. So it becomes 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, 1, 3, and here is 1, 5 minus 3, 2, 1 and 3, 1, 3, 1, and this is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Now we have to solve this. So again R1 interchange by R2, R1 interchange by R2, then it becomes 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3 and 3, 1, minus 2. Now apply elementary transformation. R2 goes to R2 plus 2R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus 3r1. Then the value is then the value is then the value is 1 2 1 minus 2 plus 2 0, 1 plus 2 that is 5, and this term 3 plus 2 that is 5, and r3 minus 3 r1, 3 minus 3 this is 0, 3 minus 3 0, and 1 minus 3 times that is 1 minus 6 that is minus 5, and minus 2 and minus 3 again this is minus 5. Then again r2 goes to 1 by 5 r2, and r3 goes to minus 1 by 5 r3. Then it becomes 1 2 1 0 1 1 and 0 minus 1 minus 1. Applying r3 goes to r3 plus r1. Then it becomes 1 2 1, this is 0 1 1 and 0 0 0. Clear? Now we have to solve this equation. So 1 2 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 into x1 x2 and x3 equals to 0 0 0. When you will solve this, then you will get 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2 plus 1 into x3 equals to 0. That is x2 plus x3 equals to 0. So we have x2 equals to minus x3. x2 equals to minus x3. And next time from first equation, that is 1 into x1, that is x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 equals to 0. Putting the value of x2, that is minus x3, so this is minus 2x3 plus x3 equals to 0. So x1 minus x3 equals to 0, that is x1 equals to x3. So from these two equations, we have x1 equals to x3 and x3 equals to minus x2. x3 equals to minus x2. Or we may also write here x2 upon minus 1 equals to x3 upon 1. So from this equation we may also write x1 equals to x3 equals to x2 upon minus 1. सबके नीचे 1 लगा ले. x3 upon 1 equals to x2 upon minus 1 और x1 upon 1 equals to x3 upon 1. It means x1 upon 1 equals to x2 upon minus 1 equals to x3 upon 1. So the vector is corresponding to this vector. We have 1 minus 1 and 1. ये हमारा corresponding vector मिल गया किसके corresponding lambda equals to 3 के corresponding. So corresponding to the eigenvalue, corresponding to the eigenvalue 3, eigenvector is 1 minus 1 1. Now we have to solve corresponding to lambda equals to 6. Now for lambda equals to 6, a minus lambda into I equals to 1 minus lambda 1 3, 1 5 minus lambda 1 and 3 1 1 minus lambda. So it becomes it becomes 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6 1 3, and this is 1 5 minus 6 1 and 3 1, this is 1 minus 6. Now we have to solve this equation, that is 1 minus 6, that is minus 5 1 3, 1 5 minus 6 minus 1 1, and this is 3 1 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. अगेन हम इस मैट्रिक्स को सॉल्व करेंगे सेम जैसे हमने अभी प्रीवियसली सॉल्व किया था. नाउ एक्सचेंजिंग R1 इंटरचेंज बाय R2, so it becomes 1 minus 1 1, this is minus 5 1 3 and 3 1, it is minus 5. Now R2 goes to R2 plus 5R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus 3R1, R3 minus 3R1. Then it becomes 1 minus 1 1 minus 5 plus 5 0, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 3 plus 5, that is 8. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now 3 minus 3 times 0, 1 minus minus plus 3, that is 4, and minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. So now we have R3 goes to R3 plus R2, then it becomes 1 minus 1 1, 0 minus 4 and 8, this is 0 0 and 0. Clear? Now we have to solve this equation, that is x1 x2 x3. Make equation and solve this 0 0 0. So it becomes 0 into x1 minus 4 into x2 plus 8 into x3 equals to 0. That is minus of 4x2 equals to minus of 8x3. Minus minus cancel, this is twice 8. So we have x2 equals to 2x3. x2 की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगा हमारा? 2x3. Therefore value of x2 equals to 2x3. Now making first equation, so this is 1 into x1 minus x2 plus x3 equals to 0. So putting the value of x2, we have x1 minus 2x3 plus x3 equals to 0. That is x1 minus x3 equals to 0. It means we have x1 equals to x3 and x2 equals to 2x3. So making eigenvector, that is x2 equals to 2x3, it becomes x2 upon 2 equals to x3 upon 1, x3 upon 1. Now x1 equals to x3, so put here x1 upon 1, that is when you will write it in proper order, then we have x1 by 1 equals to x2 by 2 equals to x3 by 1. So corresponding eigenvector is 1 comma 2 comma 1, that is corresponding to 6 eigenvector is 1 comma 2 comma. This is the eigenvector. So this is your first eigenvector, second eigenvector and third eigenvector. क्लियर? तो इस तरीके से हम आइगन वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. हर एक यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशन में एक क्वेश्चन लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में पूछता है, या तो 8 मार्क्स में या 10 मार्क्स में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Success only.